Take command of the road in the 2013 Dodge Durango. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, front and rear air conditioning, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 6. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.